we're going on a hike. Last night we camped over there. The tent is now gone, and now we're going to take a hike down this road over there because it seems cool. Last night we had sounds of a waterfall from the tent. So we don't know. Maybe there's a waterfall, and it seems cool to check it out. Like you see, it's kind of steep. We took another road with a motorcycle up the hill, but even that, I don't drive, but it was, I think, the hardest terrain we have ever done. The suitcase on the side, they were like shaking all the time, but they made it, and I'm kind of glad with it because we custom made those suitcase holders ourselves. Whoa, this is cool. Oh, ik hoor echt die waterval telkens harder.
Ja.
Ja, dit is cool hè, om te doen.
Ja.
Zullen we naar dat plekje daar?
Ja.
We're in bad luck because it seems to be like more like wild water, not a waterfall. So this evening we'll go. How's it called? Huisje?
Cabin.
Cabin. So we rent a cabin to charge up our gear. Whew. Almost there. So yesterday we were searching for this shelter. We saw a lot of moose droppings. So we hope to see one in free nature, not like we saw in the moose range. We have not seen a lot of wild animals. We heard some, but sadly enough, haven't seen one yet this year.
So we just lunched at the pizza place, and we also encountered some GoPro problems. This happens more often, by the way. We have a GoPro 8. This so the camera that we record all the riding footage with, and it sometimes it freezes while filming, and also it freezes a lot while charging, which is really annoying if you're camping. So it does it when on a wall charger. It freezes and it's the recording light stays on. If you take it off, and it won't record, it won't turn on. You have to pull the battery out and put it back in. But the date and stuff also resets, so that's really annoying. We had the problem a few times in the Netherlands. But now when we're here with the power banks, it seems to ramp up a lot more. It almost has it 50% of the time. So that's quite annoying while camping. So we really need to keep an eye on the charge, because it doesn't charge fully. And so if we have that a lot, I hope we don't lose too much footage because of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and also like the ND filters.
Oh yeah, the ND filters are also quite annoying on the GoPro 8. They work okay. We've got the Polar Pro ones, but because the cap on the lens cap isn't screwable, so you can't screw the cap off. You have to buy an attachment that goes over the whole lens system. And the Polar Pro filters are magnetic, so they are kind of easily taken off by if you just scuff it, or it may be even in the wind. So it hasn't happened to us that we haven't lost one or anything, but I think they could be better. But it also prevents you from using the media mode, so we can't use an external mic, for example, with the media mode. That's quite annoying. Also on the Hero 8. The Hero 7 didn't have that. It had the screw-on filters.
Right now we're going to the border of Norway. Some people said the border was closed, but online they said that it was open, so we're just gonna give it a shot and try it. Yeah, we saw a really cute cabin over there, so yeah, we just want to go.
Yeah, and if we get turned back, we can always camp in Sweden and cancel the cabin, but we figured we'd try. This looks like we're going into the border crossing, I think. Or is this also roadworks?
No, I see some armory clothing.
Oh yeah. We're fashion twins.
Yeah.
Nice horse check.
Norsk, svensk, engelsk.
English?
English?
Yeah.
Yes. Have you taken the vaccine?
Yeah.
Yes.
Both?
Yeah.
Have you the QR code?
Yeah.
Yes.
Super.
Yeah, fine.
ID?
Yeah.
Could you hold the phone flat?
Yeah.
It's the sun that's... Okay, thank you. On your ID?
Nice.
Oh, it was quite easy.
It went very fast.
Yeah.
I expected him to say, no, go back, man. So I'm glad we can ride through.
Yeah, it was just the COVID check.
Yeah, just your QR code, and that was it.
Yeah.
They Oh yeah, ID. I needed an ID, of course, but
Yeah, that was all. Huh.
oh man,
Cool. We're in Norway.
no way. I'm curious to see if what the cabin looks like.
Yeah.
So we'll see you at the cabin.
Thought so.
Thought so.
Hi! Like we said, we want to rent a cabin to charge up our power banks and camera gear. So we've got the cabin E, and looks really pretty with all those houses. And let's go in. We haven't checked it out. We've got blankets and other kit. Cute. So let's see if there's some light over here. Cool.
Nice.
Alright, so we'll be staying here for this evening, charging up our power banks.
Also,